Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to insert the SD card to this IMILAB C20 Pro home security camera. Okay, and to insert the SD card, first of all open your camera app. Okay, and after that you need to rotate your camera on board like this all the way to the top, and then you will see the SD card slot on this location. Okay, here, and now insert it with the instruction on here. Okay, now let's take out the SD card. Okay, now insert it to the camera. Okay, this way the SD card on the upward like this, and input it to the camera. Press it. Okay, so you have to have something to put it. Open your camera once more time. This time press the setting logo on the top right hand of the screen. Select the storage setting. Okay, now you no need to format the SD card or something. It's now the camera and the SD card, it's already connect to each other, because this one just the new one and take out from the box. And first time you need to check this storage setting first, and sometimes it requires you to format the SD card. Okay, and we get back. I went playback. Okay, now you can play back your camera after you input the SD card to your camera. Okay, this is the playback video. Okay, and now that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can insert the SD card to your IMILAB C20 Pro. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.